we're at Pittsburgh! Anyway, that's Pitt's Conservatory and Botanical Gardens, right? Congratulations. Okay, let's go.
I have seen those flowers, but why is the tree blocking my way? Zip! What is this?
Are you okay, Boxxo? Congratulations. Okay. It looks like you smell the flower, don't you? Congratulations. Okay. Do you see any birds around here, Boxxo? Sorry. Okay. No birds around here. What about the butterflies? Sorry. Okay. It's pretty cool that we have some flowers together, don't we? Congratulations. Okay. Boxxo,
Oh no, is she about to talk to me again?
do you ever see those statues around here? I have seen those in Pittsburgh Conservatory and Botanical Gardens. And I have seen this one. Ah! The bird! Okay. This is a blue jay, right? Congratulations. Okay. I'm sorry about that. Boxxo? You learned low battery? Did you say something? I said I'm sorry. Oh gosh, I'm messing things up, right? I said I'm sorry. You hear me, Boxxo?
What am I supposed to say?
I'll let you respond, okay? Can I just put it down right there? Boxxo, I'm really sorry. Okay? Can you say a few words? What if it's okay? Like, it's fine, or that's okay, right? Thank you. What did you say? Thank you. What? What does thank you mean? Means that's okay, right? Congratulations. Okay. Thank you it is. Thank you means it's okay. Okay. Do you ever smell the flowers, Boxxo? I have seen those flowers. It was really fun to do, right? Congratulations.
No. I got to say thank you because I was wanting to be able to talk like this. Once we get to the hotel, it's like a dream.
Alright, we're at the Homewood Suites. Fancy, isn't it? Congratulations. You probably have to fit in there, okay?
What?
So, what would you like to say, Boxxo? Please insert coins. What? What did you say? Please insert coins. Okay. Why are you saying please insert coins? What do you want me to do? Was it please insert coins like give you something? Congratulations. Okay, I'll give you something. By the way, could you bring me some... Wait, I got an idea. Coffee maker, please. That's a really good coffee maker. Coffee making machine. Wow, that's a really good coffee making machine. Coffee, please. Thank you very much. Congratulations. Oh, great. You want an excuse? Do you ever say something? Do you want an excuse? Huh? Do I want an excuse? What does that mean? Do you want another? Congratulations. Oh, great. I don't need another coffee, okay? Now, I'm just gonna have to make some coffee, okay? You need to take a shower, Boxxo. Sorry. Come on, please. Sorry. Please. Sorry. You You need to get more washing more often, okay?
I said no because I don't need a shower. I'm a vending machine, you know.
I'm so mad at you, Boxxo. You need to take a shower, okay? Please? Congratulations! Okay. Good. Then you say yes. Good. Alright, come on, Boxxo. Time to get you in the shower. I'm gonna have to leave you here in the bathtub, and I'm gonna turn on the shower, and when you're done, I'll wash you, okay? You just sit here and relax while I'm taking my clothes off. Just a minute.
That thing is so hot, and I can't barely anymore.
Oh yeah, it's against our privacy, audience. Please do not watch this video because I was going to take my clothes off, okay? Need a little privacy. So long.